Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best puppy bones is probably one of the most important things you can buy for your new furry friend. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right ones? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of puppy bones, exploring different types, ingredients, and what makes a bone safe and enjoyable for your puppy. Get ready to discover the perfect chew to keep your puppy happy and healthy. Number 5. Benebone Wishbone Bacon Flavored Dog Chew Toy. This chew toy is built to last, even for the most enthusiastic chewers. It's designed to withstand intense chewing sessions, providing long-lasting entertainment for your dog. Infused with real bacon flavor, this toy will have your dog begging for more. The delicious taste will keep them engaged and entertained for hours. The wishbone shape makes it easy for your dog to pick up and hold. This design allows them to comfortably enjoy the toy, promoting independent play. You won't have to worry about any unpleasant smells bothering you or your pet. It's designed to be odor-free, ensuring a pleasant experience for everyone. This toy is designed to bring happiness and entertainment to your furry friend. Give it to them and watch them enjoy hours of fun. What we like? This bone is built to last, perfect for those power chewers out there. The real bacon flavor keeps them engaged, and the easy grip design makes it simple for your pup to enjoy. If your dog loves to chew and you want something that will stand up to the challenge, this is a great choice. What people say. The real chicken flavor keeps him interested, and the wishbone shape gives him a solid grip from any angle. My dog is a strong chewer, and this thing holds up far better than most toys on the market. It is extremely durable and gives a busy dog something to do when bored. Number 4. Benebone Puppy Teething Ring Chicken Flavor. Is your puppy experiencing teething pain? This is the perfect solution. It's designed to soothe their gums and make them feel better. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and safety of this product for your furry friend. These rings are specifically designed to help relieve teething pain and soreness. The puppy will love it, and it will help them feel more comfortable. These teething rings are edible and easily digestible. It's a safe and tasty treat that your puppy can enjoy without worry. It's fortified with added calcium for healthy teeth and bones. This helps support their growth and development. It's also fortified with DHA omega-3 fatty acids. This supports overall health and well-being. What we like? These teething rings are specifically designed to soothe those sore gums. They are edible and easy to digest, so you don't have to worry. Plus, they're fortified with calcium for healthy teeth and bones. If you have a teething puppy, these rings will provide relief and support their development. What people say. It cleans his teeth. They're soft enough to be safe for developing teeth, but firm enough to give her something satisfying to gnaw on. I also appreciate that they're fully edible and made with ingredients like calcium and DHA to support growth. Number 3. Nylabone Puppy Starter Kit, Chew Toys and Treat. Introducing the Nylabone Puppy Starter Kit. It includes 2 chew toys and a delicious treat, perfect for every stage of your puppy's development. This kit will help them develop healthy chewing habits. The kit features toys made with different materials. Start with the softer one for teething puppies, and then move on to the tougher one as their adult teeth come in. It's designed to grow with them. The included chew treat is highly digestible and long-lasting. It's made without any artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, so you can feel good about giving it to your puppy. These puppy chew toys are proudly made in the USA, specifically in New Jersey. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of these toys. Every toy has a unique shape, texture, and flavor, created with purpose and love. It gives your dog what they need, when they need it. The toys are infused with a delicious chicken flavor that puppies love. It will keep them entertained and satisfied. This kit is perfect for small puppies, up to 25 pounds. It's the ideal way to introduce them to healthy chewing. What we like? This starter kit is perfect for guiding your puppy through every stage of chewing. It includes toys with different materials to match their needs. Made in the USA, you can trust the quality and safety. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution to help your puppy develop healthy chewing habits, this kit is the way to go. What people say. The bones are the perfect size for my puppy. They are easy for her to chew. My puppy loves these bones. Number 2. Bullymake Nylon Dog Chew Toy, Peanut Butter. This durable nylon bone is designed for aggressive chewers, giving your dog a safe outlet for their natural chewing instincts. It helps prevent destructive behavior on furniture and shoes. The toy is flavored to keep your dog engaged. The textured surface of this chew toy improves dental hygiene. It reduces plaque and tartar buildup while massaging gums. It also helps freshen your dog's breath, making for a healthier and happier pet. The bone is permeated with real peanut butter flavor throughout. This long-lasting taste keeps dogs engaged, making it perfect for picky and power chewers. They will love the delicious flavor. The easy grip bottom allows for a comfortable holding position. It's specially shaped for paws and jaws, with a textured surface that provides sensory stimulation. This design is perfect for small breed dogs under 25 pounds. Made from tough nylon material, this toy is built for extreme chewers. It's a long-lasting dog chew toy that can withstand powerful jaws, providing a safe alternative to rawhide. It is designed to last. What we like. This bone is designed with your dog's dental health in mind, helping to reduce plaque and freshen breath. The bacon flavor is infused throughout, ensuring a long-lasting taste. If you want to keep your dog's teeth clean while satisfying their chewing needs, this is a great option. What people say. My 3 dogs love these Bullybones. They spend hours chewing the Bullybones while their Nylabones are almost untouched. My dog loves these. I buy them for her in the mint and bacon flavor. Long-lasting and the perfect hardness. It's perfect for my dog. She can grip it and chew to her heart's desire. Number 1. Bullymake Nylon Bacon Flavored Chew Toy, 2-pack. This durable nylon bone is designed for aggressive chewers. It gives your dog a safe outlet for their natural chewing instincts and prevents destructive behavior. The textured surface of this toy improves dental hygiene. It reduces plaque and tartar buildup while massaging gums. It even helps freshen your dog's breath. This chew toy is permeated with real bacon flavor throughout the entire bone, not just surface-coated. The long-lasting taste keeps dogs engaged, perfect for picky and power chewers. The easy grip bottom allows for a comfortable holding position. It's specially shaped for paws and jaws, with a textured surface for sensory stimulation. It's designed for small breed dogs under 25 pounds. Made from tough nylon material, this toy is built for extreme chewers. It's a long-lasting dog chew toy that can withstand powerful jaws, and it's a safe alternative to rawhide. What we like. This bone is designed for aggressive chewers, satisfying their natural instincts and preventing destructive behavior. It also promotes dental health, reducing plaque and freshening breath. If you have a larger dog that loves to chew and you want a durable and effective solution, this is a great choice. What people say. My 3 dogs love these Bullybones. They spend hours chewing the Bullybones while their Nylabones are almost untouched. I have 2 big dogs and 1 small dog, all 3 aggressive chewers. Bullybones are very good quality, not heavy and very appealing to the dogs. My dog loves these. I buy them for her in the mint and bacon flavor. Long-lasting and the perfect hardness. It's perfect for my dog. She can grip it and chew to her heart's desire. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.